on.
Slamming the salmon.
Look at that fucker. That's the biggest salmon I've ever seen, I think, in Gardeners. That thing's fucking massive. Oh my god,
Yeah,
dude.
man.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Holy fuck, I barely got him, dude. Holy fuck, dude. I lost it. No, I didn't.
Just let him tire him out
Let
here.
him do it.
Holy fuck, dude. This is awesome. I didn't even know how.
Who cares how long it takes to bring him in, dude? Just fucking.
You just getting this shit?
Mm-hmm.
Don't let him get under the boat.
Fuck, I wish we had a net, dude.
Just bring him up, Simon. We gotta try to
I don't care if you get hooked, you gotta get this thing. I can't, dude.
You don't like the light.
Wow. I wish I had some fucking 20-pound test on right now.
Holy fuck!
He's gonna run again.
Right over here close. You got him with both treble hooks.
Grab him, Pat. Grab him quick.
Fuck!
Fuck, let it chill.
I gotta get both.
You gotta grab
Just
him
gotta
quick.
scoop him, man.
Yeah, dude. Don't rip the hooks out though, be gentle.
Yeah.
Just grab him quick.
Dude, that is beautiful.
Get him right over here, Clint. Stand up.
Pull hip around. Just let him shoot.
Just grab the fucking thing, dude, with both hands.
He's slippery.
Both hands. Got him?
Yes! Fucking right.
Oh,
Get him in the boat. Get him in the
He's
boat.
going anywhere.
Holy fuck, dude.
Oh,
God, there's Lake Salmon right there, boys.
We're slamming the salmon. Look, he broke one of your fucking treble hooks.
Oh, no, that was already the one that
wasn't
was
broken.
broken. You got any pliers?
Yeah, I
Check. Oh, he's off. He's off.
got nice. Did it all by himself.
Beauty.
fucking right.
Fucking right, boys. We caught one, alright. Let's keep trolling.
We ain't done yet.
Kill that video.